Welcome back as we conclude this module with some important previews regarding safety. Maintenance on or around refrigeration and air conditioning plants involves being exposed to pressures and some substances that are potentially hazardous. Refrigerants are especially so, owing to their often exceedingly low saturation points and the vapor pressures generated in containers and systems. Refrigerants may only be stored in approved containers, normally cylinders, designed specifically to withstand the stresses that may be created due to saturation pressures. Cylinders must never be stored in direct sunlight, nor in proximity to any heat source. Cylinders must be kept upright and should never be dropped. Exercise care when carrying a cylinder. Never allow liquid refrigerant to contact your skin. This will cause severe burning. It is wise, if not compulsory in many organizations, to wear safety goggles when working with high-pressure gases and refrigerants. We must never deliberately allow refrigerant to escape into the atmosphere, other than very small amounts, for example, when purging charging hoses. When a system is to be emptied, the refrigerant should be reclaimed and stored in a recycling cylinder. This procedure may only be carried out by a qualified and certified person who has been trained to use specialized reclaiming apparatus. That concludes the basic overview module. In following modules, you will be shown how to perform some basic but important tasks involved in the care and maintenance of a typical commercial unit.